Ben Newbold here from Velocity Academy, Managing Director. Now, AI is transforming every organization, but here's a challenge. Not everyone needs to build AI tools, and some people need to lead them. And with the launch of the UK's new AI Leadership Apprenticeship Units, employers now have two very different pathways to choose from. So today we're comparing the three new Level 5 AI Leadership Units with the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner Apprenticeship to help you understand exactly what skills each one develops so you can make the best informed decision of which program is best suited to your company needs. So let's head over. Which AI training is the best suited for your organization? Now, in 2026, we've had a plethora of AI training and courses released via the government that can be utilized with the apprenticeship funding. Now, we have three AI apprenticeship units, and these are funded differently, which I'll run through in a bit later. But the AI apprenticeship units available are the AI Strategy and Opportunity Apprenticeship Unit, the AI Adoption, Procurement and Governance Apprenticeship Unit, and the AI Delivery and Organisational Transformation Apprenticeship Unit. These apprenticeship units have been brought in to aid for short skills gaps that can be delivered intensely in a short duration of time for organisations and to be funded via the apprenticeship levy. Compare that to the full apprenticeship that is now available in AI, which is the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner, which is more of a long form apprenticeship, which is the standard type of apprenticeship that we are historically used to. So let's deep dive into what an AI apprenticeship unit is. So we've got the three AI apprenticeship units here: AI Strategy and Opportunity, AI Adoption, Procurement and Governance, and AI Delivery and Organisational Transformation. As we can see, the levy price on these is substantially lower than what you would normally deem a full apprenticeship to be. So that is £750. The duration, the total duration in terms of hours for these programs is 30 hours. There is a slight caveat to that I'll get to. And the level of study is at level 5. Now, these AI apprenticeship units are only available for existing employees. And as I mentioned before, the 30 hours must be face-to-face teaching time. So standard off-the-job training requirements for full-length programs where you would have the likes of work-based shadowing, online on-demand courses, basically anything where you're gaining new knowledge and skills cannot be embedded into the AI apprenticeship units. This needs to be classroom time. So it's 30 hours of classroom time away from the job as a requirement for these units. So what's covered in these AI apprenticeship units? So we can first start out with the AI Strategy and Opportunity. The core focus of this is setting the direction for AI. So looking at what AI can do for your organization, how to identify high value AI opportunities, and how AI aligns with your business goals. The second AI apprenticeship unit is AI Adoption, Procurement and Governance. And the core focus of this is all about buying and governing AI responsibly. So how to evaluate AI vendors, ethical, legal and regulatory requirements, governance, risk and assurance frameworks. And then the third AI apprenticeship unit is the AI Delivery and Organisational Transformation. The core focus of this is implementing AI and managing change in your company. So looking at how AI impacts people, roles and workflows, how AI systems are deployed and monitored, and managing the organisational change principles when you are embedding AI into your company. Next, we're now going to compare this with a full Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner Apprenticeship. Now, this does follow the standard traditional apprenticeship delivery model. So longer form training, you're looking at a much higher levy price of £18,000 for this one. And the duration in hours is 420 hours. And the level of study for this is level 4. Now, different to the AI apprenticeship units, this is available for new recruits and existing employees. And again, different to the AI apprenticeship units, the 420 hours can be made up of standard off-the-job training evidence, the likes of your on-demand training courses, work-based shadowing, and anything else where you are gaining substantial new skills and knowledge. So what's covered in the AI and Automation Apprenticeship? Now, as you can see, it's a much larger table. I'm not going to read through this word by word because it will take ages. And I do appreciate that time is a commodity for everybody. Now, the core area of focus, you are looking at AI and productivity tools such as Copilot, ChatGPTs, Google Geminis, etc. Building workflow automations with the likes of Power Automate, Zapier, low-code automation tools. Looking at integrations, data flows, process improvement, testing and documentation, user adoption and support, and security and responsible automation. There are a lot of areas that are covered within the AI and Automation full apprenticeship program. As you would expect, it is 420 hours of new skills and knowledge that is gained in that, comparable to the 30 hours. But which one is right for you as an organization or as an employee? Because that is the big question. 30 hours short intense training might seem like that's the quickest, that's the one that I'll be able to get done quickly and build the skills. The 420 hours covers a plethora of areas and you might want to get more in depth, but which one would satisfy your skills gap needs the best? Happily, I've done all of the legwork for you. I've been able to have a look at all of the knowledge and skill criteria that's gathered within the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner and the AI Apprenticeship Units, and being able to summarize which training is right for the right person. So the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner Apprenticeship is best targeted at staff who needs hand-on AI skills. Anyone who will build automations and require practical AI skills. So these are the people that are being hands-on, building the automations, building the workflow. Something goes wrong, right, I need to go and fix it. How do I train the rest of my staff up on it? How do I test it to make sure it's adequate enough? These are the skills that are gained in the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner program. So better if you are wanting to gain those practical hands-on skills. The AI apprenticeship units are more gauged at strategic staff, senior managers, leaders. These are strategic thinking staff who only need to know about AI and not necessarily build it or be practical with it. Now, as an organization, I would always think that you would have more employees that are working and rolling their sleeves up as opposed to managers and strategic thinkers. So inherently, probably the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner Apprenticeship program would be the best suited in terms of volume-wise in an organization, because you need more individuals that are able to get hands-on with AI and use AI, as opposed to people going out to market, tendering and figuring out which vendor is the best to purchase. So this is where I want to make sure there's total clarity in regards to what it is that you are learning and the skills that you are gaining comparable to the different AI programs that are available. So in summary, the AI training, the AI apprenticeship units are strategic. That is the one word answer. They are for strategic thinkers. The Level 4 AI and Automation Apprenticeship are for the practical doers. However, there is a world where these both exist. It's not about playing one off against the other. So if you've got this far, thank you very much for watching this video. I do have a couple of areas here. So we do have a more in-depth blog that looks at the AI apprenticeship units and the AI and Automation Apprenticeship in further depth on the Velocity Academy website. We do also have available the Level 4 AI and Automation Practitioner Apprenticeship program that can be delivered via Velocity Academy. We're currently running a lot of successes with government, with local authorities, large private companies and small private companies that are looking to get hands-on with AI and automation skills. So we do have access to delivering the AI and Automation Apprenticeship, full apprenticeship through Velocity Academy. So like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you again.